Your lecturer says don't cite websites and you are confused because you found very great information on a blog. Here is why internet sources won't cut it for academic research and what you should use instead. Here is what most students don't understand. Not all information is equal. A well-written blog post might explain a concept clearly, but that does not make it academically credible. Here is why. The first reason is that there is no peer review. Academic journals have a rigorous process before publication. Experts in the field review the research, they check the methodology, verify claims, challenge conclusions, require revisions. These are not things you will find on a website or a blog. Anyone can publish anything and nobody checks if it's accurate or not. The second reason is that there is no accountability. For academic sources, the authors are named researchers with credentials. They are affiliated with universities or institutions. Their reputation is on the line. They can be contacted for clarification. But internet sources, most of them are anonymous, no institutional backing, they can disappear overnight. Author qualification is unknown. If your source vanishes, your citation will break. If the claim is wrong, then there is no one to hold accountable. The third reason is that blog posts are not original research. Most websites summarize research that were done by others. They are usually secondary or tertiary sources even. And the problem is that when information gets passed from person to person, it can get distorted. If you cite a website, you would most likely be citing a distorted view. The fourth reason is that there's bias and there's an agenda. Academic journals must declare conflict of interest. Even peer review will catch the bias. The methodology is transparent, but for a website, they may have hidden agenda. They may be selling something. There may be political motivations. And sometimes they just cherry pick data here and there. The fifth reason is that it's not permanent. Academic sources are published and archived. They have a DOI. Libraries keep copies and they are accessible for decades. A website can be edited anytime, can disappear. URLs can break. Content can change. For your academic research, use peer-reviewed journal articles, books from academic publishers, government or official reports, conference proceedings, doctoral dissertation thesis even. If you find a website that has good information, track down the primary source. That is what belongs in your reference list. I'll see you in the next one.